This guide will walk you through setting up EAN on orders and emails. Click WooCommerce. Click Settings. Click EAN. Go to General tab. Find Orders and Emails section. Enable EAN and add it to New Order Items meta. Specify adding EAN for orders created by admin. Click Order Items table. Display EAN on order pages. Display EAN in Order Items table on emails. Select Order Statuses. Customize EAN display. Include EAN details. Select Email template options. Go to the checkout page. View specific EAN details. Thanks for watching this video.